Hello everyone, it's your boy Jimmy, and we are back in the kitchen today with a very special episode. You guys know I love me some bacon, but did you know that leftover bacon grease is a culinary goldmine? That's right, don't you dare throw that liquid gold away. Today I'm going to show you 4 insanely delicious recipes that will make you a believer in the power of bacon fat. We're talking flavor explosions, next level deliciousness, and maybe even a food coma, in the best way possible, of course. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the fam, and let's get cooking with some bacon magic. Alright guys, first up, we're making movie night legendary with some bacon fat popcorn. This stuff is so simple, but trust me, the flavor is out of this world. We're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of that beautiful rendered bacon fat. Add that to your pot with a high heat setting. We want that fat nice and hot for the popcorn kernels. Speaking of kernels, toss in about a half cup and give them a good stir to make sure they're all coated in that bacony goodness. Now, we cover the pot and let the magic happen. Listen to those kernels pop. Once the popping slows down, you know it's almost showtime. While it's still hot, hit it with some salt, because everything tastes better with a little salt. Am I right? And there you have it, bacon fat popcorn that will have you saying, "See you later" to microwave bags forever. Next up, we're giving those boring vegetables a serious flavor upgrade with some bacon fat roasted vegetables. This is the perfect side dish to impress your friends and family, and they'll never guess how easy it is to make. Chop up your favorite veggies. I'm using broccoli, carrots, and potatoes. Toss them in a bowl with a generous drizzle of our bacon fat. About 3 tablespoons should do the trick. Don't be shy with it. Now season it up with some salt, pepper, and any other herbs and spices that your heart desires. Spread those veggies out on a baking sheet and pop them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast them for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they're nice and tender. Boom! Restaurant quality roasted vegetables right in your own kitchen. You can thank me later. Chapter 3. Get ready for some serious flavor bombs because we're making bacon fat fried rice. This is one of my go-to recipes for using up leftover rice, and trust me, it's even better than takeout. First, heat up a tablespoon of bacon fat in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add in some chopped onions and garlic and cook until they're fragrant, about 2 minutes. Now, crank up the heat and add in your cooked rice. Here's where the magic really happens. Make a well in the center of the rice and crack in 2 eggs. Scramble those eggs up and then mix them into the rice. Finally, add in any leftover cooked veggies or protein you have on hand. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and insanely delicious meal that will have you licking your plate clean. Chapter 4. Alright, sweet tooths, this one's for you. We're taking those chocolate chip cookies to the next level with some bacon fat chocolate chip cookies. Trust me, the sweet and salty combo is an absolute game changer. Cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of packed brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Now, here's the secret weapon. Gently fold in half a cup of that glorious melted bacon fat. And of course, no chocolate chip cookie is complete without chocolate chips, so add in a whole cup of those bad boys. Scoop the dough onto a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, the most irresistible chocolate chip cookies you'll ever sink your teeth into. Guys, I'm telling you, bacon fat is a game changer in the kitchen. From savory snacks to sweet treats, the possibilities are endless. So next time you're cooking up some bacon, don't even think about tossing that precious grease. Save it up and try out these epic recipes. You won't regret it. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed these recipes, subscribe for more awesome food hacks, and let me know in the comments down below which recipe you're going to try first. Until next time, happy cooking.